Do you carry cash?
Yes, I carry cash.
Where is your wallet?
My wallet is inside.
Can you use cards?
Yes, I can.
What do you buy?
I buy fresh fruit.
Are the apples fresh?
Yes, they are fresh.
Why do you shop?
I need groceries.
Do you need water?
Yes, I need water.
How much is milk?
The milk is affordable.
Is the store open?
Yes, it is open.
Where is the cashier?
The cashier is ahead.
Can you pay now?
Yes, I can pay.
What do you carry?
I carry a bag.
Are you waiting here?
Yes, I am waiting.
When do you return?
I return this afternoon.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Why is the line long?
Many people arrived.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help.
What is your plan?
My plan is simple.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free.
Where are you going?
I am going shopping.
Can I come too?
Yes, you can.
What do you need?
I need some bread.
Is the bakery nearby?
Yes, it is nearby.
How do we get there?
We walk together.
Do you see bread?
Yes, I see bread.
Which bread is fresh?
This bread is fresh.
Can we buy milk?
Yes, we can buy milk.
Where is the milk?
The milk is refrigerated.
Are we finished?
Yes, we are finished.
How do we pay?
We pay by card.
Is the receipt ready?
Yes, it is ready.
Can we leave now?
Yes, we can leave.
Where do we go?
We go home.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Why are you happy?
Today was easy.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we can.